In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become Semrush agency partners in just 5 minutes. If you're in the digital marketing world, you know that Semrush is a powerhouse tool, and joining their agency partners program can really boost your agency's credibility and open doors to new clients. So, let's dive into how you can achieve this. To get started, the first thing you need to do is search for Semrush online. Open your preferred web browser and simply type Semrush into the search bar. Once you land on the Semrush website, you'll want to focus on upgrading your current plan. For the program we're discussing today, ensure you upgrade to a business plan, as this is a crucial step in unlocking the features you'll need to succeed as a Semrush partner. The business plan offers a range of tools and analytics designed to help agencies like yours grow and manage clients more effectively. With that said, once you've got your business plan in place, it's time to enroll in the Agency Partners Program. Head over to the dedicated section on the Semrush website, where you can start the enrollment process. They might ask you for some basic information about your agency, so have your details ready. It's a straightforward process, and once enrolled, you're on your way to tapping into a network of resources and potential client leads. Next, you'll want to set up your agency profile. Think of this as your digital storefront. It's where potential clients will come to learn more about you and your services. Take your time to fill out this profile with care, ensuring you highlight your expertise, your successes, and what sets your agency apart from the competition. The more detailed and appealing your profile, the better the chances are that potential clients will want to reach out and learn more. While not mandatory, obtaining Semrush certifications is highly recommended. Being certified not only proves your proficiency with Semrush's tools, but also builds trust with prospective clients. Semrush offers a variety of courses and exams tailored to different skill levels and specialties. Dedicating some time to achieving these certifications will benefit both you and your agency in the long run. It demonstrates a commitment to staying current with industry best practices and positions your agency as well-informed and capable. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a recognized Semrush agency partner. Leverage this partnership to differentiate your agency and provide even greater value to your clients. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you take your agency to the next level. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time.